So today I'm going to be installing the AMG bumpers. This is how it looks like right now. So yeah, let's get to it. So I got the bumper off. Wasn't that hard at all. You got a bolt right there. It's a 10. And you got two 13s, another two 13s, and another 10 right there, and it comes right off. So yeah. So I just put the bumper on to see how it would look. Seems to be fitting pretty well. Looks really good, really aggressive. Yeah, now all I gotta do is transfer all this stuff from the old bumper onto this new one, install it. So the next thing you gotta do is remove this piece right here from the front of the bumper. Put on a bunch of clips, push them in and they come right out. And then you're gonna have to drill out these rivets and take off these brackets or whatever you want to call them, and then drill them into that bumper, and then put this cover on the bumper and it should be done.